Hi, my name is Morgan. I'm a senior health science studies major at Quinnipiac University. Hold on my name here. I apologize for the bad writing. So I'm originally from Springfield, Massachusetts, and my hobbies include running, hiking, yoga. I'm actually a Division I athlete here at QU or at Quinnipiac University. I'm on the cross country and track and field team. Such a huge part of my life. My family lives back in Springfield, all of my family, my mom's side, my dad's side. I have one younger brother who I'm super close with, and he's like 4 years younger than me. He's really great. So as far as occupation, I'm currently just a full-time student. I'm also a TA for the FYS program here at QU. But as far as full-time employment, nothing just yet. So as I stated, I'm a full-time student at Quinnipiac University, located in Hamden, Connecticut. I was originally enrolled here as a physical therapy major, and then after 3 years as a physical therapy major, I realized that wasn't what I wanted to do, and it's not where my passion lied. So I became a dietetics major, and I plan on going to grad school next year somewhere out west. We don't know the location just yet. I haven't heard back, but so I'm gonna hopefully be enrolled in what's called a coordinated program. So I'll do my dietetic internship and along with my master's in dietetics and nutrition, and then eventually sit for my registered dietitian exam once I get my master's degree. So that's really exciting, which leads me to my next point why I'm taking this course. For every graduate program I applied to, I had to take like a biochemistry prerequisite course. And unfortunately, here at Quinnipiac, we don't offer a course this semester, and this is the semester just based on my schedule that I need to take it. And this course also only requires one semester of organic chemistry as opposed to two at other universities. So, and it's online based, so I was like, perfect, it's awesome, it's going to fit great with my schedule. And yeah, so that's about it. As far as any fine tuning for the graduate programs, I want to go into sports nutrition specifically. So all the programs I applied to, I only applied to 7 programs all around the country. So those programs have specific sports nutrition concentrations where I'm going to be able to do my clinicals in a sports nutrition based setting, which is really, really awesome. So I'm very excited for that, and I'm really excited to learn a lot about biochemistry. I think it's really going to help me in my field. So even though I'm sure you don't see a ton of dietetics majors taking this course, I think it's going to be really helpful, and I'm really excited to see what it has to offer. So, all right, awesome.